I'm going to be doing a little test today. It's actually a big deal for me. I have 3 Bose products and I'm going to be reviewing the speaker on these 3. We have the Soundtouch 10, which is a wired speaker. It needs power. Then we have the Bose Color Soundlink speaker. Then we have the Bose Soundlink Revolve Plus. This is a powerhouse. Let's start with this. I'm gonna play some music.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop. You shone as bright as the city before us.
HANGOVER iMac.
So now it's connected with the Revolve Plus.
Connected.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop. You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning. Days of thunder,
I finally attached it with the Bose Soundlink. Bose Soundtouch 10. Let's play it. All of these are at 50% volume or thereabouts.
remember the time we were standing on the rooftop. You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must
Sounds okay, sounds neutral, sounds average. Okay, guys, so I've run 2 tests now, and I'm seeing that while this is the most neutral, most basic one, which is obvious because the cheapest, most inexpensive, most small, I feel the Bose Revolve Plus is really winning this in every single aspect. It has an amazing punchy sound without being overbearing. This is also very good considering this comes in for 17,000 rupees. This comes in for 25,000 rupees. This comes for 10,000 rupees.